I'm tall, I'm tanned, I'm young, I'm handsome. I've come here to bring back the rewind. So hush, my sweet condor. Let me win this one, please. Don't try, attack me, but I want protection. I don't feel that pecking, so save your Egyptian. Hush now, condor. Let me in the final three. Ah! Oh no! Next. I've got problems with condors. Problems with condors. Why, oh why? Am I not at home? I ponder. Trust me, oh trust me. I'm your best friend, and I'll never eat your eggs again. My liquid! Oh, good news! You can have another chance later. But first,
I'm a Mary, so don't be giving me frock. Cause my first chick just hatched out of his yolk sack. So hush, my sweet, let me into the final three. Cody Jr., no, Auntie Heather.
Heather.
Fuck
How I really hate these birdies, and I wanna live to see my birdies. These feather jerks, they're bringing me strife, and Cody too. I'm not your wife, for the last time. Get a life. Yes, thanks my sweet condor. Now I'm in the final three.